I got another package. Let's open it. Here it is. This beast is heavy. Over 25 kilograms, according to this sticker. I don't know what kilograms means because I'm an American, but it's definitely heavy. This was sent to me by a viewer. He's on the Discord a lot. His name is Mr. Rokashan. I don't know how to pronounce that, the Discord name, but his real name is Trevor. So thank you very much, Trevor, for this wonderful package. We're going to open it and find out what's inside. Got my special tool right here, and I promise this is not how I cut my thumb. Although if I do that too many more times, it will be. Yeah. Let's open the mysterious present, which isn't so mysterious because he told me he was sending it, and this is clear. But you can't see it. Boom! It's like Christmas morning. Check it out. Oh, man. Oop, don't drop that on my foot. Stay right there. Boom! Railroad track. This, obviously, is for forging stuff. So, I have the railroad track now. I have a forge. And somewhere, which has disappeared, no, here it is. Boom! I have my forging hammer. This means forging stuff is going to start happening. Pretty cool. Now, a couple things. This is just a super heavy section of rail track. It is not quite an anvil yet. A lot of times you'll see people, they'll use a grinder and they'll make a horn on one end so you can get like the shape, and they'll kind of cut this out so you can wrap around. They'll mount it to a thing. He sent me some pictures of his setup. Looks pretty cool. I might adjust it a bit because I have a stump over there I might put it on. I might try to grind this top a bit flatter. This is basically like a raw chunk of rail track. So the top is arched. And he said it's just been taking up space in his house, and he was willing to send it to me. So thank you very much for that. In return, I will have to send you something that I forge on your railroad track. Sound fun? I promise it won't be the first thing I forge. I'll wait until I can make you something good. And pay no attention to this tube in the background. There's a video coming up on that. And trust me, it's not as dangerous as it looks. This is probably more dangerous. I can already tell this is going to be awesome, and this is way too high. I need this to be lower. Yeah, like this high. Yeah, are you taking notes? Because this is going to come in handy when I do the build. For making this into an anvil, I might just try to make it flat and do a couple of minor things to make it a little more usable. I'll probably be following a railroad track to anvil build by Blackbeard Projects. It's a YouTube channel. It's a lot bigger than mine, but he's a really cool guy. He does 3D printing, some casting, some forging, and he has a build video on making one of these into an anvil. And I'll probably just do what he does. Work for him. Might as well work for me, right? And Blackbeard, if you're watching, I like the channel. People, you should go check him out. You probably already know because he's like 10 times bigger than me. But whatever. If you're not, go check him out. I'll put a link to Mr. Rokashan's channel as well. He's got a few videos, not very many, but you know, they're worth watching. So I'll put a link to that down below as well. Cool. Oh, sweet. Look at this. I got you zoomed in. Look at this. See this piece of brass looking stuff? That's probably braze. Someone probably brazed up a hole or something in that. Yeah, that's cool. That's very cool. A lot of times people braze with silicon bronze, I think. You can also braze with aluminum bronze, but I think silicon bronze is more popular. So, cool. First bit of silicon bronze. Man, that's heavy. My back already hurts. Awesome. If you watched this far, I might as well give you a little channel update. The weather has been against me. It's been snowing, and then it rained the next weekend, and the next weekend it rained, which turned to freezing rain, which turned to snow. So there was snow over a layer of slippery death, and then my wife got the flu. So yeah, there's a lot of reasons why I've kind of been phoning in a lot of these episodes recently. So yeah, hopefully that'll change. I got a garage heater now, which you totally didn't see in the background. If you want to see more casting, I have a really awesome casting project that's inspired by a channel called IllumiTube. I'll mention his channel again and talk more about that later when that comes up. But if you want to see me do more casting sooner, figure out how to control the weather and make it really nice this weekend in southern Wisconsin. That'd be great. Currently the forecast is for bitter cold and snow. So that's that's less than ideal. Although I might just be able to cast in the snow. I mean, what's snow? It's not freezing rain or something. And if you're wondering if there's anywhere you can send me stuff, I did reserve a P.O. box, but I haven't gone to the post office to activate it. I probably will in a couple days. So check the Discord, or if you follow me on Twitter or Instagram, I might send out that information through there. Or just send me an email if you're really that interested. Of course, if you're not interested, forget it. I didn't say anything. Ignore me. For right now, I'm going to chill. And chill means literally, because my hand is sitting on this railroad track, and it's 25 degrees in this garage, 25 Fahrenheit. That's well below freezing, so I'm getting frostbite just standing here. Kind of stupid. I'm still leaving my hand there. I'm rambling again, aren't I? I'm going to end this video. Have a good day.